Can I get your Can you like lean back for me?
Yeah, you went.
We moved on. You answered it.
I'm afraid that you will hold that against me if I do not.
Anything against you?
Location, Peoria, Illinois. Incident welfare check and DUI investigation involving an elected public official. Subject Matthew Wigington, mayor of a neighboring municipality, found in the driver's seat of a parked vehicle showing signs of significant impairment. Responding agency Peoria Police Department and Peoria Fire Department. Date undisclosed in footage.
Sir,
Yeah, you went out with that jizz off now.
can I get your Can you like lean back for me?
Yeah, you want to talk to Sophie?
Who's Sophie?
Person is right here, the driver's license. I mentioned a driver's license.
Mr. Mayor Wigington.
Is it?
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Do you remember me?
Yeah. how you
John
doing?
Harris.
Good
Hey,
to
can
see
you
you.
sit back for me, please?
Yeah.
What's going on tonight, man?
These people are talking to the driver's license.
Okay. Where'd you come from?
Dan Pelfrey.
Okay. Can you, do you have your driver's license?
Yeah.
Can I have it, please?
Driving right now.
If you are, well, you're in a vehicle. Okay.
Not with the driver's license in the vehicle.
Okay. I know, but you're in a vehicle, and I want to make sure that you're okay. I know who you are. Can you just work with me, okay? What's that? I don't need your debit card. Okay. I don't need your, no. Okay. The fire department's gonna check you out, okay? I know, buddy. No, Marcos. Keep her on this one. What's this? These was that sale. Name's Matthew Wigington. Wigington.
Yeah.
Do you know who he is?
It's like the mayor or something.
Mayor of Peoria. He's an important person. Let's just put it.
Hey, where you going?
How you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Where are we right now?
You tell me. Where are we right now? Hey, do me a favor, too.
What do you need from me?
I need you to take your hands out your pockets to begin with. Okay? Now, you asked me where we are, and I told you to tell me, so where are we?
I'm asking you. What do you need from me right now, officer?
Tell me where you're at.
Officer, what do you need from me right now?
I need you to tell me where you're at.
I'm asking you, what do you need from me?
I just told you twice.
Officer, I'm asking you what you need from me.
So I need you to hang tight. That's what we need.
Perfect.
Can you tell me where you're at? Okay. Noted.
Matt, great. Take your blood sugar.
What do you need from me?
Your blood sugar.
What do you need from me?
Matt, we just want to take some car. We do your blood pressure, real bit pressure. We're just going to mission up to the wall. Someone called, said that yours passed on the car.
What do you need from me?
You just said take your car. Can we take it?
What department are you reporting to?
Fire department.
Peoria Department.
Peoria Fire Department.
May I speak to your Peoria Heights Department?
You're not in Peoria Heights.
Peoria.
What department do I need to speak to?
You're talking to him right now. You're in the city of Peoria. You're talking to the city of Peoria Police and Fire Department.
I'm starting to try to peacock us, and it's not a smart thing to do right now.
Trying to peacock? No, really. What?
I don't know. They're just trying to get his blood sugar, and he's all like, "Who are you? Are you talking to me?"
Mr. Mayor, can we please? I'm trying to work with you very.
Josh, what are you looking for?
What am I looking for? You want to seriously want to know what's going on right now? You are severely intoxicated, Mr. Mayor.
You cannot drive it.
Night driver.
You are in the driver's seat of the vehicle with the keys, which constitutes, and push shit like this constitutes as whatever. You need some figure that out. We need to get through their questions so we can that way I can make sure that you're safe to drive.
I'm not driving right?
Why else would you be in your driver's seat? You just ask me answer the question. Come on, just hear me out, okay? All personal, okay? I know you know me.
You know the papers.
Go ahead.
Hey, don't get back in there.
There we go. I'll do it. Stay in the car. Okay, this one. Hey, where are your keys at, Mr. Mayor?
They're not on me.
Where are they?
They're not on my vehicle.
Are they not in the vehicle?
They're not on my person.
Okay. Where are they?
Do you want to search me?
No, I just want to know where your keys are. That's all.
They're not on my person.
Okay. Step that way for me, Mr. Mayor. Did we grab his keys already? No. Mr. Mayor, are the keys on your person? Do you have them in your pockets?
Are you representing the police fire department or the police department?
We're the police department, sir.
We're the police department.
Were you able to locate them on the police department?
No. Are the keys on you? Are they on your
Do
person?
you need to search me?
If we can look for the keys, yes, sir. I got them.
Okay, all right. Okay, the fire department's going to talk to you, Mr. Mayor. They're going to ask you a bunch of questions, okay? Some medical-related questions. I need you to just talk with them. Okay, once we're done with that, we'll get on to the next step. Alrighty?
Are you done with the police department?
Okay.
Here, just talk to the fire department right behind you, sir. They got some questions they need you to answer, okay? So my buddy here is going to ask you some questions. Can you answer those questions for him? Yeah. All right, thank you.
Are you done with the police department?
Right now we are, yes.
You know what time it is right now? You asked me John Brown's 42 Main Street, Peoria.
I know. And you answered us?
You asked me John Brown, 42 Main Street, Peoria.
You know what time it is?
You asked me John Brown, 42 Main Street, Peoria.
Matt, we're moved on. You answered it.
I'm afraid that you will hold that against me if I do not.
Anything against you?
John Brown, 42 Main Street,
Great.
Peoria.
Okay, perfect.
6 connect here, resident here.
About what time it is?
Can I check your watch?
Without checking your watch. Without checking your watch.
No, I didn't. No, tell me this.
I'll be out here.
I know that you told me John Brown, 42 Main Street, Peoria.
You did? Yeah, you got it.
You saw a fight.
Alright, can you count back?
From John Brown, 42 Main Street, Peoria.
No, 20 to 1. From just 20 to 1. Count backwards.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 14, 12. All right. 2, 1.
I think we're making all this more than it is you to treat them like everybody else, or we move on.
Yeah, so they just treat him like normal.
Yeah, so half the time we don't. do DUIs, and sometimes we do. So it's like, you decide which one you're doing. He's parked in a parking lot, didn't crash into nobody, didn't kill nobody, didn't damage anything. Treat him like you would anybody else. I would probably just give him a ride and get him on his way, whether he says mayor on his license plate or not. You know what I mean? You know how many regular old people I've done that for?
He ain't killed up no
100? Yeah.
I'm saying it for what?
And then, but I mean, is it a violation? Yeah. So it's all what it is. Doesn't matter to me either way. Either way. But I think you shouldn't care about his title. That's what bothers me right now. You're either going to do it or you're not. None of that rest of it matters.
I don't know who the hell
You know what I mean?
So,
No, I didn't care
I
either.
don't know who you are, dude.
No. Yeah, I don't give a
So I walked that way. Call the party, okay?
500 issue, I-500 actual physical control, 625 ILCs, 511 to 501. Illinois DUI law prohibits not only driving while impaired, but also being in actual physical control of a vehicle under the same statute. 3 elements must be established. 1, the subject was intoxicated. 2, the subject was inside the vehicle. 3, the subject had access to the means of operating it, specifically the ignition keys. In People v. Schneider Ill, App 1990, the court confirmed that occupying the driver's seat of a parked vehicle while intoxicated, with keys accessible, satisfies the actual physical control doctrine without any observed movement of the vehicle. Application keys located on the subject's person subject seated in the driver's seat elements 2 and 3 are facially satisfied. The subject's inconsistent statements regarding key location constitute independent evidence of cognitive impairment material to element 1. SO Issue 2 Warrantless Arrest Authority 725 ILCs 5107 to 2. Officers may arrest without a warrant where reasonable grounds exist that a person is committing a misdemeanor in their presence. Illinois DUI Class A misdemeanor first offense. Observable signs of impairment plus physical control of a vehicle establish the requisite threshold. Initial approach was authorized under the Community Caretaking Doctrine, Cady v. Dombrowski, 413 U.S. 433-1973. Once impairment became apparent, the detention converted to an investigatory stop independently justified under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968.
Direction for the suspect.
Yeah, all this of us worked the alley. They hung up on us. Called it my neighbor.
Yep, be in the area. That area.
I don't know about something. I don't do that.
Does the taxpayer pay for this stuff? Don't even.
Issue IE Implied consent 625 ILCs 511 to 501.2. Any person in actual physical control of a vehicle in Illinois is deemed to have consented to chemical testing. Failure to administer standardized field sobriety tests per NHTSA protocols, horizontal gaze, nystagmus, walk and turn one leg stand, or failure to invoke implied consent and conduct a chemical test raises an independent equal protection concern if applied selectively. Issue IV, Equal Protection U, S. Const. Amend. The 14th. The Equal Protection Clause prohibits law enforcement from applying the criminal law differently based on a subject's identity or political status. Under United States v. Armstrong, 517 U.S. 4561996, a selective enforcement claim requires proof of both discriminatory effect and discriminatory intent. The on-camera deliberation officers openly debating whether the subject's mayoral title warranted different treatment constitutes direct evidence of the intent prong. Under Village of Willowbrook v. Olek, 528 U.S. 5622000 differential treatment of similarly situated persons without rational basis constitutes a 14th Amendment violation, actionable under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. By a few verse. Lesson 1. Actual physical control is an affirmative standard. Presence in the driver's seat with key access is legally sufficient. No driving need be observed. Lesson 2. Implied consent obligations attach at the moment of actual physical control, not at the point of formal arrest or booking. Lesson 3. Equal protection is not a discretionary standard. An officer's knowledge of a subject's political title is legally irrelevant to enforcement. Its active consideration, even when ultimately rejected, creates a documented constitutional vulnerability for the department and individual officers. Departments must codify equal enforcement as mandatory policy, not leave it to real-time debate on scene. Deliberation captured on Bodycam is discoverable evidence.